Normally, a girl would just pour rice from her package and wash it, and that's no big deal. But girl got a upgrade, a huge upgrade actually. I got this rice container from the TikTok shop, and it holds up to 8 kilos of rice. But check this out. It gets better. Check it out. What I do love about this rice dispenser is I could actually wash my rice in the same jug. I'm just using a little bit of rice because ain't no way I'm gonna pour a lot of rice to demonstrate something. Rice is too expensive. There I go. Water is all out, and I just pour the rice in the pot.